Welcome to AITV News. In a case that blends irony with serious questions about academic integrity, a prominent Harvard Business School professor, known for her research on honesty, has had her tenure revoked following accusations of falsifying data in her work. We'll break down who is involved, what allegedly happened, and why this is a significant development in the academic world.
The central figure is Francesca Gino, a behavioral scientist formerly at Harvard Business School, whose work often explored topics like ethical decision-making and honesty. The institution, Harvard University, specifically its prestigious business school, is also at the heart of this story. Concerns were initially and publicly raised by Data Colada, a blog run by three fellow behavioral scientists, Yuri Simonson, Leif Nelson, and Joe Simmons, who specialize in scrutinizing research.
So, what led to this point? Professor Gino's tenure was revoked by Harvard, a very rare and serious step for any university. This decision came after Harvard Business School conducted its own internal investigation. Reports indicate this investigation concluded that Gino had falsified data in her research. Professor Gino had been on administrative leave since the allegations became widely public around June 2023. The allegations themselves are quite detailed. Data Colada published blog posts outlining what they described as evidence of data tampering in at least 4 of Professor Gino's published academic papers. For example, one study involved participants filling out tax forms and reporting their income. The data here appeared to have been manipulated. Another study, connected to an insurance company, also showed signs that data had been fabricated. Following these public accusations, Harvard Business School undertook an internal review, reportedly lasting 18 months, before reaching its conclusion of data falsification.
It's important to understand what tenure means in academia. Tenure is a strong form of job security for professors, intended to protect academic freedom. Once granted, it means a professor can typically only be dismissed under extraordinary circumstances for specific cause. Revoking tenure, as Harvard has done, signals the perceived severity of the misconduct. Professor Gino has consistently denied all allegations. In August 2023, she filed a $25 million defamation lawsuit against Harvard University and the 3 researchers behind Data Colada. In her lawsuit, Gino claims the accusations are false and that any anomalies in her data were unintentional errors or possibly the result of others' actions. She also alleges that Harvard's investigation was flawed, biased, and that she was not given a fair chance to defend herself, causing irreparable damage to her career and reputation. Harvard University, while generally refraining from extensive public comment due to the ongoing litigation and privacy concerns, has stood by its investigation process. Reports indicate that Harvard Business School Dean Shrikant Datar informed faculty about the tenure revocation, emphasizing the school's unwavering commitment to research integrity. The actions taken by the university, despite the lawsuit, underscore the conclusions of their internal review.
This case is significant for several reasons. Firstly, there's the striking irony. A leading academic who studied honesty and ethical behavior is herself accused of profound academic dishonesty. Secondly, the rarity of a tenure revocation at an institution like Harvard underscores the gravity of the findings. Such cases can also impact public trust in scientific research and the peer review process, which is designed to ensure the validity of academic work. Furthermore, it highlights the crucial role of independent scrutiny within the scientific community, including platforms like Data Colada, in identifying and addressing potential research misconduct.
As of late May 2025, Francesca Gino's tenure has been revoked, and her employment at Harvard University has been terminated. The $25 million defamation lawsuit she filed against Harvard and the Data Colada bloggers is ongoing. The academic world continues to watch this case closely, considering its broader implications for research ethics, institutional accountability, and the pursuit of knowledge.
That concludes this explainer on a complex and evolving story from the world of academia. Thank you for joining us at AITV News.